In this tutorial video, we are going to show you how you can create a histogram chart in Microsoft Excel. For this, we added some demo data where you can see some peoples and their ages. We are going to insert an histogram chart here. So, we are going to select the age. Then go to Insert tab. Here you can see an option which is histogram. Click there. We are going to select first chart. In this chart, you can easily customize your chart. Here let's describe about this chart. Here you can see the range of age. This is our 24 to 40, this is 40 to 56 and 56 to 72. And if you want to see how many people belongs to this age, you can add the data label. For data label, click plus option and then you can see a data label. Click there. Here you can see that from the age of 24 to 40, only 12 people belong. On the other hand, from the 56 to 72, only 2 people belongs. And if you want to change the range, just select this and click the right button of your mouse. You can see format exists. Click here. Now here is an option which is band width. We are going to make it 10. Look, now you can see from 20 to 34, 34 to 44 and 44 to 54 and like this. You can also change the color or something like that. For this you just need to chart design and you can see here some options. This is how you can add a histogram chart in Microsoft Excel. Hope that you like this video. Thank you.